Now in this video we are going to see else statement. So else statement is the extension of if else. Like how it is the extension of if else means. So if else it is like writing a. So if else are capable with only two values. If is capable with the true and else is capable with the false, right? So either from true or false we need a requirement, like we need a intermediate values also. Like let us create a scenario. If we have a marks and if we have a grade, like so if marks is greater than 89, then you need to get the grade as O, right? So when you see your mark sheet, right? So with respect of marks you will get the grade points, right? So this is a scenario. If it is greater than 89 marks, then you need to get the grade as O. If it is 79, it is like A. 69, it is like B. So 59, it is like C, right? Above 59, it is like C. So with respect to the marks, you need to get the grade, right? So when you go with the if else, it will accept only two types of values, either true or false. Suppose if the marks is greater than 35, then you will get the, like it is like a pass, either a fail, right? So if you need such type of scenario program means, you need to go with the if else. So I will show you the syntax. So syntax is like so if accepts a condition, right? Condition and here you have the else always the last block. So if and if close, else and else close. Okay. So intermediate you will have the else if. So else if also accepts a condition, remember. So and if contains a open and close block. So you can take multiple else if blocks intermediate in between the if else. Okay. Now let us write the code for this. So here first I am writing the code for the O grade, right? So if marks is greater than 89, so the statement is like you need to get like system.out.println, you need to get O grade. Okay, so you need to close the else, you need to close the if. Now take the else if. So else if also accepts the condition. So if marks is greater than 79, right? So you need to get the output as A grade. Okay, so again you need to close the else if. You can take multiple else if statements. Now if marks is greater than 69, now here you need to get the output as B grade. Okay, so on. So if so on. Now let us write for the last else block. So if all condition is false means it is like a fail, you need to get the output as fail, right? Now using the scanner only I am doing this program, since it is a scanner program, right? So user will enter the marks and with respect to the marks we are going to get the, he is going to get the grades. Okay, now what is the syntax? Syntax is if. So if will contains a block of code, under if we have the else block also. So this is the code for only if else. Now this will results only true values, like either a true or false, right? So now let us declare else if. So else if also accepts condition, and again here you can take multiple else if. So in the bracket you need to place the conditions, right? Now let us do the program. So if the marks is greater than 89, so here I have taken the, we have the printing statement, right? Let's cut over here, let us paste over here. So we need to get the output like grade A. Okay, now same thing I'm copying. So if marks is greater than 79, right? You need to get the output like it is like O grade, it is like A grade. Now if the marks is greater than 69, right, then you need to get the grade as B. Okay, now this is the last statement. So if all condition is false means here you need to get the output as fail. So right here fail. Okay, now we have the other else if blocks also. So let us copy this else if, and if the marks is greater than 59. Okay, this is all about the programming of else if. So now let us run this program. Now let us give one sample marks. Let it be 65. So when I press enter, so 65 comes under greater than the 59, right? So greater than 59, the grade is C. So when I press enter, you need to get the grade C. Okay, this code is working properly. Let us run one more time and let us give the lesser than 39 value. Let it be 34. So 34 is greater than less than the 39, right? So less than the 39, the output will be the fail. So when I press enter, we are getting the fail. Okay, so this is all the else if statement, and this is the program for else if, how the else if is going to work. I think you got the clear idea on else if statement. So if you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. If your friends are learning for Java, don't forget to share my videos. Thank you for watching.